Now as the action potential moves along, if this occurs in the dendrite, it will move towards the cell body. So if the action potential is generated out here in the dendrites, it will travel towards the cell body, and then even in the axon it will travel towards the next cell body. So think about these action potentials always moving towards some cell body. Now, I put it up here as a note here, we're going to show this in the next slide, that the impulses will always travel faster when there's a myelin sheath. But think about this. Here's why the myelin sheath, when you see the next slide, will make more sense. Right here is a depolarized membrane. Sodium has rushed in, flipped the membrane potential, and this is an excitable membrane over here. So these sodium ions have to diffuse into the next region. Depolarize this little segment, and then they depolarize the next little segment, depolarize the next little segment. So it's going step by step. It's kind of like if you're walking up a flight of stairs and you touch every single step. Yeah, you'll get to the top of the stairs, but you'll get there slower than if you were to skip steps. And that's what we're going to look at on the next slide, is how the action potential can actually skip a few steps along the line.